Hello, what's up, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm about to share with you some of the important tips when you are downloading something on the internet. Let me simply assume that your hard disk is full and you want to change the download folder on your browser. So this is a browser, this one right here. So let me simply go direct. As you can see right here, we have a download button right here. Or this, let me show to you. You see the download button. So this is a Chrome. I'm using Chrome, so it could work, or it can work with any browser. So what we're gonna do right now, you need to come here. Let me show you. So let me simply bring in this thing right here. Okay. So here, let me simply assume that you are on this stage. So what you're going to do, you go to setting. Under setting here, you can find setting. So you can simply click settings. You click settings, and then you go on somewhere. You look for this thing called advanced here at the left side. You see advanced button right there. And what you're gonna do right here, you can simply click that, click this, advance it, and go to download here. You can see the download button right there, so simply click that. So you are going to see this option right here. You see that, say that location here, so you can simply click change, and then you are going to select the hard disk key that you're going to use in order for your download files to save or to store them to. So let's say I have this this disk right here, I have backup, I have other thing like that. So after that, you click where you want to save your file to. You can simply go direct into this thing or new folder, and then you can create a new folder from there. Like mine, I already have this folder called download. Let me simply go down here, click that, and then from there, when you create a folder, you simply, while you're inside that folder, all you gotta do is simply click select folder right here. So you select that, and there you go. Now it will be too easy for you to save your file, because if the other default download file is full, all you gotta do is that you change it to your hard disk, or even if you have a USB or flash, you can simply select any of these. Because when you click change the folder, this what will happen. It will simply bring you whatever you have, like C and D and E and F and so on, if you have many. So but for me, I use Seagate to do that. I change it to that one. But if I want to use a default part, I can simply click download right here, because this download is a default folder which is on C program or local C. Local C, it is where your system files are located to. So all you gotta do is click that, and then you can put it to the folder that you want. But for now, I only want to use it on this thing called download right here. So I can simply select folder right there, and then there I'm done. So you can see that. So thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.